Can medications cause bruxism? Have you ever wondered if the medications you take could be causing you to grind your teeth at night? This is a common concern, especially for those dealing with bruxism, which is the involuntary grinding or clenching of teeth. It can lead to tooth sensitivity, jaw pain, and disrupted sleep, making it an important topic in sleep wellness. Yes, certain medications can indeed cause or increase the risk of bruxism. One of the most common groups of medications linked to this condition is antidepressants, particularly selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, or SSRIs. These include well-known drugs like fluoxetine, which is often marketed as Prozac, and sertraline, known as Zoloft. These medications work by affecting brain chemicals such as serotonin and dopamine. This alteration can lead to increased muscle activity during sleep, resulting in teeth grinding. Studies suggest that about 8 to 10% of individuals taking SSRIs may develop bruxism, typically within a few weeks to months after starting the medication. Another class of medications that can contribute to bruxism is serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors, or SNRIs. Medications like duloxetine and venlafaxine also influence neurotransmitters and have been associated with teeth grinding. Stimulants used for attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, such as Adderall and Ritalin, can also increase the risk of bruxism. These drugs affect levels of dopamine and norepinephrine, which can lead to grinding during sleep. Additionally, some anticonvulsants and antipsychotics have been reported to contribute to bruxism, though this is less common. From a sleep wellness perspective, it is essential to recognize medication-induced bruxism. This condition can disrupt restorative sleep and lead to dental damage and jaw discomfort. If you suspect that your medications might be causing bruxism, it is important to consult with your healthcare provider. They can help determine if adjusting your medication type or dosage may reduce your symptoms. Managing bruxism often involves a combination of approaches. Stress management techniques, such as relaxation exercises and improving sleep hygiene, can help mitigate symptoms. Custom dental guards can also be beneficial, as they protect your teeth during grinding episodes. In some cases, healthcare providers may prescribe muscle relaxants or consider treatments like Botox injections to reduce jaw muscle activity. Understanding that certain medications can contribute to bruxism helps individuals and healthcare providers balance treatment benefits with potential side effects. This awareness is key to preserving both sleep quality and oral health.